That's right, folks. It's here, finally. A long format video. We're working on this thing today. We're actually not working on this because I already worked on this, but I forgot to film an intro, so we're going to film it now. So you gotta watch to see what happened in there and what's going on there and why there's a whole bunch of trash on the ground. Okay, we're back in the shop today working on the bagged 65. We got a list of parts to put on. We got oil pump, gaskets, low propane, more gaskets. Old pan's already off. Oil pump's already off. Got the pan off. Got the headers undone. Ready to start putting the oil pump back on. Pickup tube, windage tray, timing cover. Got a new ICT billet timing cover with two 10 oil drains in place of the factory one. In case we want to put turbos on it. Might happen. All of our tools. Peep those King Speed wrenches. And this wrench from Hyperflow. Check him out at hyperflowperformance.com. All these snap on and off. Like that. I can't do this one-handed. Ta-da. Really nice. Check him out. Torque specs for the oil pump. 18 foot-pounds. Can y'all see that? Maybe? Okay, we got our new oil pan, Millings oil pump, and pickup tube on. All installed down there nicely. Maybe. Time to put our ICT billet timing cover on. Hammer, seal driver. Installed. And just like that, we got everything put back together. I'll probably be assembling the top end later because I'm waiting on a set of Texas Speed push rods and water pump gaskets because, you know, that's not supposed to look like that. And they're nowhere to be found, so I gotta wait on those. And just like that, we got everything installed. I lied, I gotta put the balancer on. I'll be right back. Well, that's it for this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, turn on the bell. Come back for the next video. And that's it. Peace.